Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A22 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, open Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Then download this app from this developer. After that, open it. Now click on the three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Then click I accept and customize this wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!